So we are at 336 Sterling Street in Candler Park. This is a really rare opportunity for a project in a craftsman home. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath on a level lot with a front porch. Super convenient to shops and restaurants and parks. Walking distance to Mary Lin Elementary, walking distance to MARTA. So great opportunity here to create a perfect dream home. This is something where you can build out of the space that's here. In fact, we already have plans if you wanted to keep the current footprint and just make it into a 3-2 and update the floor plan. It's a really, really sweet option. You could also go out the back and create a really nice master suite, expand, maybe add some den, or you could go up and create a whole nother floor, or you could just tear it down and start from scratch. But you have so many options here, and we have some folks we could put you in touch with to be able to create what you want.